Good morning, everyone. Dominique from the Gale Borden Public Library, and we are going to have a really fun segment today for everyone. We are going to do the unboxing for some new collections for our own collection. It's going to be the American Girl dolls as well as some other toys, so it's really fun. So we're going to have Miss Katie. And she's going to go ahead and start unboxing. So we're going to get into the fun. So I'm going to need everyone just to kind of bear with me. I'm going to take the camera off so we can get a little bit closer and get in on this and have a great moment, all right? So let me pass it over to Miss Katie.
Donnie.
Sure. All right. So.
How is everybody today? We're so excited. These toys are all going to be in the Early Learning Center, not on the youth side. So come on over. It's on the right side. In the back of the ELC in the red cabinets, that's where you're going to find the toys. The American Girl dolls are going to be in the ribbons and bows section of the ELC collection. So come on in. The first thing that I want to show you, we have some brand new historical American Girl dolls that we just got in. One of them, Kirsten, is all ready to go. So I'm going to show her before we unbox. So she is brand new in her suitcase. And here, let me put her down. And but if you don't know our collection, we already have, I think, like 9 of them. And each kit comes with a bunch of different things. So here's Kirsten. Look at her. She's in her original historical dress with her braids. Hi, what's up, everybody? She comes with a sleeping bag, a pillow, a change of outfit. Let's see, which one do we have in here? Let's look underneath. Debbie, where is her change of outfit? Is it in the pouch? Oh, here it is. That's right. Okay, so, it's a set of pajamas and this awesome dress. So you can change her, you can brush her hair, you can write all about your adventures in this awesome journal. So we want to see where did you take her? Did you take her to Grandma's house? Did you bring her, to a vacation, a trip? And then you also get her book, so you can read along with her historical story. So that is what you get in each kit. And Miss Kirsten here, you can put her on hold. All of our American Girl dolls you can put on hold at any time. That's probably the best way if you want to get a specific doll. But you can just also come to the ELC and see what we have in. I think we have 4 or 5 in right now. So we have Logan also, the boy doll, and we just love him. So that is Kirsten. I'm going to hand this over to Debbie. Now for the unboxing of the new ones that we just got. So these have never been opened before. This is Kaya. She is awesome, and she's never before been opened. So this is, so each doll comes with her book, see? So we're going to put this together in a kit. I'm actually going to, where's some scissors? So here she is. She's brand new. We're going to take her out. I'm going to cut out her feet. Well, not cut her feet, but cut the snips so we can get her out. This is so exciting, isn't it? Like, this is the best part. Her hands. All right. Oh, and here she is. Look at her hair is already braided, and she's got her beautiful Native American outfit. All right. Are you excited? Isn't she beautiful? Okay, so that's Kaya. And we have one more. So we had Addie. We had 2 Addies, and now we're adding this one because both of them went out of commission. So this is our brand new Addie. Here she is with her awesome book. And look at her dress, matches. This is her original dress. Okay, I just want to make sure I don't accidentally get her clothing. Snip, snip. Here we go. I wonder how many, if anyone's watching at home, tell us if you have an American Girl doll and which is your favorite. So there she is. She even has her hairnet on to protect her beautiful hair, and it's braided with the braid in the back and her bows. We haven't even had time to take these off yet. It's so exciting, and you could be the first one to check her out. How cool is that? So there's Addie. Thanks, Miss Debbie. Okay, so American Girl dolls check out just like a book for 28 days. That's 28 days of fun with your American Girl doll. So you can check out one doll per card. And okay, they go up for 20 days. You can't renew them, but you can put a hold on them. So you can always put a hold on the next doll that you really want to see. And in terms of cleaning, we clean both American Girl dolls and our toys right away after every single check-in. So we clean the hard surfaces. We wipe down the whole doll, every thing that is in it. We wash the clothes, and we make sure that it is all ready to go, especially now during COVID. We want to be as safe as possible for you. So every single checkout, it gets cleaned. After that, it gets disinfected. So there's kind of 2 steps and then put back. So we at Gail Borden really, really care about your safety and want our toys to be as clean as possible. So here are some new toys. I'm going to go in order of age. So these are baby toys. So exciting. This one is super fun. It's called Tobbles, and it's kind of, you can do shapes, you can do colors. There's fine motor skills involved here for babies. So it might topple because, oh, here we go. Because it's kind of like a Jenga. So, ooh, it's so pretty. Look at it. And you could talk about all kinds of things with your baby. Your baby could grab. You could talk about, ooh, there's a star shape. This is a circle shape. And then you could talk about colors. You could talk about size. So we're going to put them in order of size. And you can just explore. They're actually really soft and pretty. And then you would start by trying to put them on. So if you put that one in, it's like, oh no, that doesn't quite fit in. What's the next one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Oh yeah, that fits. And then it kind of makes this topple-y shape. There we go. And then of course you can topple it. That's one of the best things to do. So that toy is new. I should say that these toys are not, because we're unboxing them right now in this moment, they're not available quite yet. So you can always go, and we can help you at Gail Borden to search just toys, and they're e-toys. That's what it says in the catalog, which is the Early Learning Center. But you want to wait probably a couple weeks from now before these are going to be in circulation. All right, that's a baby toy. The next, these are great for toddlers and up. So this is going to be a new Duplo set, and guess what? It's Frozen. Only the best, right? So this set has, I'm going to open it, a bunch of Duplos, and this is going to come together. So you're going to get this brick castle with sparkly stuff and snowflakes. And then it's also going to have Anna and Elsa and Olaf. So let's see. I'm going to put them down here. Yes. Oh, and this one's a tea party. So you get a tea party and a castle. And look at it. It even comes with a little outfit for your Duplo. That's so awesome. So let's open up Olaf. There we go. Ah. Okay, awesome. So there's Olaf. Do you want to build a snowman? All right, and so you can see there's his Duplo feet, and let's open up Elsa. Anna. Elsa. Get them mixed up. Elsa. Okay, so there they are. Super, super cute. And then I'm going to open up the castle. So here's the tea party. You can see there's all kinds of stuff to have tea. There's cupcakes and plates, a tea set, a table that you can put together. And this is the castle. Oh, look at him. Here's Elsa. I'm going to put this over here so I just don't get them mixed up. So look at all these pieces to build this really cool light brick castle. Woo! So look at all these pieces. You're going to have so much fun. And with Duplos, you can intermix. Ooh, look at this one. It even has sparkles. It's like see-through blue and sparkly. Oh, and let's open up Anna because we haven't opened any of her up yet. So you're going to get Anna and Elsa and Olaf. There she is. Super cool, right? So you're going to have Anna and Elsa and Olaf. A light up Lego set and a tea party Lego set, or Duplo set. So again, these are best for ages 2 and up. There are some small pieces. A lot of them pass the test of not fitting through your hand though. So they are safe for 2 and up. That's kind of how you test. If it's for a baby, you definitely don't want to give anything that could go through because that's a choking hazard. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Okay. The next thing that we have, ooh, these are so cool. Mix and match trucks. These are awesome. So if your child really likes construction, things that go, planes, trains, automobiles, this, let's see, what kind of trucks do we have here? I think a dump truck. Let's see. Ooh, cool. A crane. Yes, a dump truck that actually dumps. Super cool. And what's this one? What is that called? Is that a garbage truck? I don't even know. So, a loader. Yes, a loader truck. So, these three things will come in the set of trucks, and you can have all kinds of awesome play. They roll. So, all 3 of them have actual wheels that you can roll. And there's actually with our toys, we're working on coming up with some ways that you can play with them with your child. It's like open-ended questions, and you can talk about what color, where would you bring this truck? Have you seen this truck around the town, on the street? So all kinds of ways that you can play. We're going to have those questions and toy prompts right in the toy itself. Debbie, I'm going to give this to you.
All right.
Thank you. We have just one more, right?
Yep.
So this one I wanted to include especially for parents and teachers out there. These are counting ice cream cones. So a great way to practice counting while having so much fun. And you can learn other concepts like colors. Like you could sort them by color also. So as you can see, this is counting from 1 to 10. I also really like this because you could do this in other languages. So if you wanted to learn your numbers in Spanish, absolutely you can use this toy. Okay, how do you... Oh, thank you. Okay, here we go. It's that new, I don't even know how to open it. So look at, each one is its own ice cream cone. Great for summer and fall, right? Well, and winter. Who doesn't like ice cream anytime? I'll have ice cream in the middle of January. Definitely. So here's what you do. Here's the cone. Here's the scoops of ice cream. And you would put them down. I mean, this would be great for like a station in a classroom. Just absolutely awesome if you're working on early math. But also at home, just a great way to work together to count numbers. So you just put it on 1, 2, And at the same time, you could say, oh, this is pink, and these are all the same color. What if we wanted to do a different color? So then you could mix and match. Let's open one more. So you could do, okay, we're gonna do a different color. We're gonna do green.
That's a pretty color.
Aren't they all pretty colors? Like the
pretty color.
bright neon?
Yeah.
So there's 3, but they're different colors. And guess what? We could make a pattern. So then we could go, what's next? What's after that? Green. And then what's after that? Blue. So you could even work on patterning, which is actually great for like pre-coding skills, that sequencing. That is fabulous. But you want to match it, right? So there's 3. But you could even do that. You could make not even use the cone, but make a pattern with the ice cream. So lots of different ways that you could use this wonderful toy. And this would be best for, I would say, ages 3 to 6, like those pre-kindergarten skills. Plus, it's just fun. You know, toys are also just a great way to play. And open play, like Mr. Rogers says, is the work of childhood. So that is it for and so we just ordered, this is not it. We have so many new toys, like at least 20, probably even more. So this is just the beginning. Please know that they're going to be coming as technical services. It's a lot of work to like get all these labeled and make sure that we have all the pieces. So don't come in for them right away, but in a couple weeks, come in and ask for the toys and check out all the other stuff that we have in the red cabinets in the back of the ELC. Thank you so much. It was so fun to unbox toys with you, and have a wonderful rest of the day. Come visit. Our story times start the day after Labor Day, so come on in. Okay,
Awesome.
bye.
I'll take that. All right. And
Oh, sorry.
no, it's okay. All right. Thank you so much, Miss Katie. That was so super fun, right, everyone? Thank you, everyone, for giving us those thumbs ups, those hearts, and it really shows how much you love our library, and we appreciate everyone out there for taking the time and seeing what we're adding. This is really fun stuff, really cool stuff. So once again, I want to thank everyone, and everyone have a wonderful day. Take good care. Goodbye.